Not like I said his mother's pussy smells like egg salad. Which it does. Who's the bitch now, bitch?
Oh, my cracker! Laying the boot to the big nigga, give it up!
Don't use that word around me. It's ugly and racist.
He's funny too, man. All right, listen here, player, all right? We want you to join up with us, know what I mean? Because them niggas are gonna tear you.
Oh! I said don't talk that way around me.
Get some of that. Let's kill it. No, I got it. Handle your business, Cleon.
Oh, come on. Don't tell me you're gonna stick up for that fat son of a bitch.
You happen to see the color of that fat son of a bitch's skin?
Hey, aren't we over that? Didn't you see that Nova episode? Huh, you guys? They did that DNA test. We all come from Africa. It's a proven fact. Under the skin, I'm just as black as you are.
Oh, fuck that.
Get him!
See what happens. Where the hell did that guy come from? Cleon, if you want to fight me, you're gonna have to fight me.
I understand.
Now pick up your gold teeth. I'm gonna let you keep them this time. But if you come at me again, I'm gonna hang on to them like a Swiss banker.